Have you ever lost data due to deleting, formatting, virus attack, hard drive failure, or system crash? Quite a lot of reasons may cause data loss issues to you. Accidental deletion, careless formatting, hard drive failure, system crash, virus attack, etc. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard will recover all your lost data with only 3 simple steps. No matter where and what kind of data you lost, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard will help you get all lost data back. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard supports all Windows systems, including Windows 10, Windows 8 or 8.1, Windows 7, XP or Vista, and Windows Server, etc. Let's see how to recover data with EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard now. First, select a location where data loss happened and click Scan. Second, let the program scan the selected device and find all lost data with Quick Scan and Deep Scan modes. Last, after the scan, you can preview and click Recover to save all found data. There, your lost data is back. Do remember, stop using the device when you lose data on it, and save found files to another safe location in case of data overwritten. Now, go to www.easeus.com and get this software to recover all your lost data right now.